So we're out here today with my Prius. I call it a Prius. My 2019 half-ton. Looking at trading it for the Mega Prius. So, what do you guys think? Go from a personal vehicle to a work vehicle. Ghorley Truck and Hotshot rig. Come on. There is the new Ghorley Truck and Hotshot rig. We traded the 2019. I'll tell you what, I love this truck. This truck right here was killer. Loved it. So we traded that for that. So let's hope she hauls some cars. All right, so we owned this thing for like 20 minutes. Came straight home, hooked up the car hauler. So we had to run to the body shop and pick up the front clip to the 86, which turned out fabulous. We'll get in a video review of that later. But the Mega Prius hauled its first load already. So now we got to find a gooseneck trailer for it. And see if we can find some cars and get into the Hotshot business. It's a killer truck though. We'll do an in-depth review on it. Like we did on the other truck. Once get it for about a week or two, and we'll check it out. So there you go, Ghorley Truck and Hotshot rig. Okay, so we tried to load this hearse yesterday, but the rear brakes were locked up. As you can see, it's been parked right here for quite a few years, and we drug it backwards. Had to go home and get some more tools, so we got a lot of tools back here in the back of the Prius and back of the Mega Prius, and so got her jacked up, took the wheels off, beat the drums off, and adjusted the rear brakes and put the drums back on, wheels back on it. So now we're gonna go get the tractor and drag it back forward, reposition the trailer, and see if we can't take the tractor and drag it up onto the trailer. Friday, which is tomorrow, we're gonna go get a winch and put a winch on here because I got to move my A6 around a little bit without a drivetrain in it, and so need to get a winch on the trailer. So we'll get a winch done. And plus, if I hot shot with this little trailer here and pull one car, a winch will come in handy. So, but that's where we are. This is my nephew's place, and this belongs to his grandfather. So his, well, I guess it's papa, really, right? Is that the same? Anyway, so we're gonna get that moved up there. He moved about 40 miles away, so we're gonna load it up and take it to him and drop it off in one of his chicken houses, and let her go back to resting there. So stay tuned for the Mega Prius's first real load, because I think that little girl right there is probably pretty heavy. Oh, we are almost there. Hung up on the driver's side of here, so we're gonna try to air some tires up. Getting there, man, getting there. Thing's long beast. And here is phase 2 of Ghorley Truck and Hotshot. There is phase 1, which we showed y'all just earlier, and now we're gonna pick up this used 2019 Kaufman dual tandem axle 3-car wedge. So maybe we can move some cars around. There, come on. All right, there's Ghorley Truck and Hotshot rig. Bringing her home. Gonna do a light work here and there. It's 2019. Oh, it was only used for 2 months, but I think the guy had a driver in it. The driver's pretty rough here. I'll show you cosmetic damage on the other side. Gotta go home and get our base plates put on the truck, DOT stickers, and empty stickers and pre-pass. Anyway, see, he hit something, and I had to actually break that corner piece off. It's pretty impressive. We had a piece of angle on there, fix that back, and a little cosmetic damage on this rail where he scratched it up. Hit it right here, right there. So I guess the old boy couldn't drive on the passenger side. You can see the driver's side, but not the passenger side. But yeah, she's got good rubber on there. She's good. Not a bad little trailer, like brand spanking new. Oh, let's take it home. All right, so here we are with Hotshot load number 2, which happens to be the same customer as the first load, which was the hearse. We showed you guys a little bit of that hearse. We didn't get very much of it, but here is the skid steer my nephew bought. So technically this is a private deal, not for hire type. So no signage needed or portionate plates, because that's still in the mail. So anyway, this is a pretty good little load right here, about 9,000 pounds. Doesn't really phase the Mega Prius, but we're gonna load that up and take it to go get it serviced, and then bring it back. So he is racking up quite the charges with Ghorley Trucking. He doesn't know it yet, but he will get a bill. What do y'all think that's worth? What do y'all think? 250 bucks, one way, 6 miles, short haul rates. See ya. We are now recording. Okay, so I'm gonna try to load my very first automobile. I'm gonna lie to you, I'm a bit scared. If I fall off, nobody laugh. And by the way, it's the nephew's truck, it's all good. How are we looking?
Good.
This is scary. I think we probably need to not do that. I think I'll only haul 4 drives for now. Case didn't drag, did it? Did it? Oh, that's scary. How are we looking?
Well, that's
Going
good.
up? I feel like I'm going to the left.
You're center.
Wow. So I just need to go up another 10 feet there, but you got 20 foot to go. I did it. Beautiful. Ghorley Trucking Hotshot in action. All right, well, there you go. Got the nephew's truck on there and the Dodge on there, Joe's truck. So I think we probably should load this up a couple more inches. I didn't know Joe was coming, but technically it wasn't that hitch right there. We would, we're clear of the ramps. So I think if I was gonna go down the road, I'd pull them all up. And but there you go. My first load and strap job.
When I'm not busy stocking the office with Skittles, I'm watching idiotic ramblings. Come on now.